This is an online website where you can uh, learn your increase your typing speed by practicing. So I will just go to the student section, and you can learn a couple of keys, or after learning all these keys you can increase your typing speed. But I'm more interested in the coding section, so I will just go to the coding essentials, and these are the options. I will go with the JavaScript and click on the start. So it will teach you to improve your JavaScript, because normally when you're writing you would be writing mostly the text ABCD, but when you are coding you would be using lots of other characters as well. So this JavaScript test is more around that. And here you can see the hand placement as well. I don't have a very good typing speed, so I will first check what my current typing speed is, and I will slowly learn how to improve that. You can follow the key hand movement which is there in the on screen to follow how to type, in case you are not aware how to place your finger on the keyboard. And one important thing to while practicing is to never look at the keyboard, because when you are looking at the keyboard it will not help much. It won't help much to improve your muscle memory. So here you can see that my speed was just 11 words per minute with 88% accuracy, which is very poor. That's why I'm learning how to speed up my typing speed. But initially you should focus more on the accuracy part. So you should try to have accuracy close to hundreds. So by typing slowly, and once you are comfortable where the finger should go for each of the character, then you try to build up the speed. As of now, I can type most of the keys without looking at the keyboard. There are some set keys which I still have to look. See, in the next try, my accuracy has increased to 94%, but our speed is still 11 words per minute. Okay, so this time my accuracy is almost same. It's slightly decreased 92%, but the speed has increased by 1 word to 12 words per minute. Yeah. So if I practice it daily, just 5-10 minutes, it should help me increase my typing speed by a lot. And many people have typing speeds of around 100 words per minute or even more than that, but ideally I am targeting to have initially like 30, around 30, then I will look for more.